Celebrity couple Richard Gutierrez and Sarah Lahbati pushed through with their wedding. The pair canceled the lavish party and settled for an intimate ceremony without celebrities and politikos. In attendance were family members who were seated away from each other. Gutierrez and Lahbati were supposed to have a star-studded wedding on March 14, but it was cancelled in the interest of public health. Among Politiko principal sponsors in the canceled big wedding were President Rodrigo Duterte, former Presidents Joseph Estrada and Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, and Senators Tito Soto, Manny Pacquiao, Cynthia Villar, and Bato de la Rosa.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.